Hey everybody, Clyde and I are going to do some geocaching today. We're in Tualatin, Oregon, and we're at a little park, I believe called Woodrose. There's two geocaches here. One is a medium-sized one, and one is a small one. So here we go. We hope you guys like it.
So we're really close to that one, so that's the one we should go to first.
All right, we're super close. Should be anywhere around here.
Wait, it says Army.
He's in a football. Nope, not in there. And this is the vegetation we're searching in, but we'll find it. Kind of looks like somebody has been through here, doesn't it?
Yeah. Wait. Oh, I think
What is it?
Oh, it has a cache on it.
You found it, dude. Let me see. Hold it up. That's a cool one. We've never found one like that, have we?
No. We found one with this tanky thing on it.
Yeah, that's so.
It has a contact sticker on it.
So, is it made of metal or what?
It's made of metal. I can't get it open.
The bug?
Yeah, the bug's made of metal.
Wow. There's our geocache. Alright, so we just stay on this trail. It looks like when it connects to the other trail, we'll be pretty close.
Okay.
This is where you're gonna stay. I'll see you tomorrow.
There it is! Bark! Oh. This one has toys!
Nice.
Keep watching.
We found not one, but two geocaches, and we exchanged prizes in one of them. The other one was too small, but we found them both. So it was a good day.
Yeah.
All right.